Hi yogis, welcome to this beautiful session which was designed to release stress and tension before going to bed. So in that way you can have a wonderful sleep. So when you're ready, meet me on the mat. We are going to start with a powerful breathing technique called Nadi Shodhana, which is perfect to release stress and tension and come back to peace and balance. For this, we're going to use the thumb and the ring finger. The thumb is going to close the right nostril and slowly start breathing in through the left nostril. Hold at the top, switch sides, close the left nostril, then exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Pause at the top, switch sides, then breathe out through your left. And continue like this. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Feel the tension melting away as you connect with your breath. And when you're ready, finish your last cycle by breathing out through the left nostril. Drop your head to the left and extend the arm out. You're looking to feel a nice stretch on the neck and the shoulder. Bring your head to center and then over to the right. Extend the left arm and feel the nice stretch on your neck, shoulder, and arm. And as you come to center, inhale and lift the arms up, then twist to the right. Right hand is on the left knee and left hand is behind. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Let's come back again to center. Lift the arms, then switch sides. Left hand is on the right knee and right hand is behind. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out any stress. Lift the arms one last time, and as you exhale, place your thumbs on your third eye, which is the space between your eyebrows. I'm going to turn sideways so I can show you. And set an intention for this practice. Perhaps you want to feel grateful for the good moments in your life, or maybe you want to forgive and let go. Maybe you want to remember that you are worthy of love, or remember that you are strong and resilient. Perhaps you want to trust in the process of life, or even remember that you deserve a peaceful and restful night's sleep. And when you're ready, meet me at tabletop. Turn the fingers to face the sides of the mat and start to move from side to side. You can choose how far you want to lean. Now turn your hands so your fingers can face forward and start moving in circles, sending the shoulders forward and your hip to the heels. We're gonna do this 3 times in one direction. And then 3 times in the opposite direction. When you're done, go back to neutral position and check your alignment. And as you inhale, lift the head and drop the belly. Then exhale and round the spine. Again, inhale, drop the belly. Then exhale, round the spine and look at your navel. Last time, inhale. Then exhale, round the spine. And as you drop your belly, arch your spine, hold for a second and send your hips to your heels. Exhale, round your back and move like a wave. Continue moving with your breath. Let's go back to tabletop, and as you inhale, lift the left arm and slide it under your right. Drop the left shoulder, and if you want, you can extend the right arm. And when you're ready, you can go back to tabletop and switch sides. As you go back to tabletop, cross your ankles and come to your back. Place your feet on the mat, and when you're ready, cross the right ankle on top of the left knee. And you can choose to stay here, or if you want more of a stretch, you can bring your right hand in between your legs and interlace your fingers around the back of the left thigh. Release your legs, bring your feet back to the mat, and we're going to switch sides. Left ankle goes on top of the right knee, and you can interlace your fingers behind the right thigh. Release and hug your legs and give them a nice squeeze. And gently drop the knees toward the right for a twist. Right hand can be on top of the knees, and you can drop your head toward the left. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Let's go back to center and switch sides. On your next inhale, draw the knees in towards your chest and give yourself a nice squeeze. Release your legs and let's get into Savasana. You can stay like this, or you can place 1 or 2 pillows below your knees. Your pillows are going to help your body to relax even more. Just make sure your toes are pointing out for a deep relaxation. Surrender to the soothing flow of your breath. Thank you for joining me in this class and subscribe for more yoga videos. Have a wonderful sleep.